Solid chair. Only two things that I would say that I didn't like about it is the fabric up here. Sometimes with your sweater, whatever you're wearing may get attached to it. Little cotton balls. And this little sucker right here, sharp man. I got cut once. Pretty bad too, it's bleeding. Just be careful putting your legs back. This will allow the seat to go forward and back. Then this is lock. I love this feature. You can tilt it back and lock it and release it. Definitely upgrade the casters. These casters glide, man. Can slide through the living room, no problem. Nobody hear me coming. Lumbar support there. It's fully adjustable up and down. Headrest up and down as well. Really comfortable chair, man. Really quiet if you upgrade the casters.